Breadies. It's Weston's birthday. We got balloons, dinosaurs, of course. We got decorations, and I don't know how to draw a birthday cake. We need to learn how to draw a birthday cake. All right, Breadies. We are ready to draw the happy birthday cake, the birthday cake, whatever you want to call it. We are ready. I hope you are too. Grab something to draw with. Woo! And a piece of paper to draw on. And get ready to go. Are you ready, Jane? You ready, Jane?
No. Oh, yeah.
Let's do this. All right, so our cake that we figured out how to draw, we're gonna do basically a big square. You got me, Jane?
Yeah.
All right, follow along at home. We're gonna do curved edges. Cakes are kind of curved, so we're gonna go up. Oh yeah, we need to fit our candles here, right? So we'll put our cake down at the bottom half. So real easy, Jane, you're just gonna go up. Ready?
One is a big...
We're gonna do a little taller. Good job, Breadies. Now we're gonna do a little curve, right? Curve it over. Can you do that?
I'm trying to keep it up.
That's all right.
Okay.
Now do a little curve. Doesn't have to be perfect, remember, we're just having fun.
Yeah, I'm trying to match.
All right, now we're gonna go straight across. Ready?
When I turn a little, I'm gonna go down.
Oh, she's making hers taller.
Yeah, like our brothers.
Yeah.
That's really tall.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Real tall.
Mine, I want to make mine.
Breadies, if we're going too fast, just stop and rewind. And think about what color you're gonna make your cake.
Oh yeah, I already know.
Let's do the second curve down. Can you do that, Steph?
Okay.
Jane's making hers thick frosted.
Yeah.
All right, and bring it on down, Breadies. Whee!
Okay, you can do the next.
My favorite cake is chocolate.
Come on, do the next step. I'm gonna catch up.
Well, the Breadies are watching. They're learning.
Oh.
We figured out how to draw a cute and easy, simple birthday cake.
Yeah, I think this is pretty simple.
All right, go down. All right, Breadies, and what do cakes sit on?
A
plate. So we're gonna do a real simple plate.
Or a napkin.
We're just gonna connect the bottom to make it easy on us. Can you do that, Jane? Connect.
I want to do it like a circle to look
That's
like
cool.
It's a big
That's
cake.
true.
Whoa.
All right, Breadies, and I'm gonna curve it.
Yours is not a square.
That's true. It's more like a rectangle.
Yeah, that is a rectangle.
Yeah, because I want room for my candles. All right,
Oh,
Breadies,
okay.
we're gonna do a curve down. Jane, can you do that step?
Okay. Wait. What the? It's like a double cake.
It is, huh? Oh, we have enough room to make a double, but I want to teach the Breadies a super, simple one layer. All right, same thing on the other side, Breadies. Curve and down for our cake plate. Perfect.
I'm going to do the cake.
And you know the next step, Breadies. Straight across for the bottom of our cake plate.
No. You are not a 3D person.
And it's okay, Breadies, if it's a little crooked. We're just having fun.
You are not a 3D person.
Yeah, I don't do 3D. I do fun and simple.
Well,
Because I researched what the Breadies would want to draw if they needed to make a quick birthday card drawing for a birthday cake. And this is
but
what
they don't have time.
this is what we came up with. Okay, Breadies, we got our cake plate. We got our cake. Now, to be super simple, we're just gonna do, and this you can get creative, but we're basically gonna do like a top wave.
Oh yeah, I'm
for
gonna
frosting.
do a very
Yeah, you can do long drips or a simple wave. Jane, which one are you gonna do? You do long drips or the simple way? Which one?
I think I'm gonna do a little on the side.
Okay. All right, buddies. So I like doing these cool drips. And what they are basically upside down U to a regular long U. Upside down U, regular U. And I just go all the way across. Upside down U, regular U. Upside down U. And if you want me to slow it down, watch what it looks like. A U. Stop wherever you want. And an upside down U. And I think that looks really good.
Look how much fun.
Oh, look at here's how long that one is. Yeah. So cool, breadies.
Wait.
And if you're behind, just hit that rewind button and then you can try again. All right, breadies. We need to do our eyes.
I don't think you have room.
Yeah, I like doing my eyes low. I think it always looks cute. So I'm going to put my eyes right there and right there. Jane's got plenty of space. She could put them here,
I'm going to put them
there.
low so I have room for my giant
That's a good
smile.
idea. All right, so breadies, I think I'm going to put mine like here, and then my smile in between. I think it's going to look really cute.
One rule in drawing, always do a big fun smile.
That's true. All right, I think I'm going to do the tongue, like...
He said lip.
Licking his lips. All right, breadies. So one circle here. And I want to do probably around right here.
How do you like my eyes?
Another circle right there. Oh, big ol' eyes. So cool. And then breadies, for me, I always do a big circle. And then I always do a little circle.
I don't think you're
And
going
then
to
I
win
color
the
'em in.
cutest thing.
You got the cuter one?
Yeah.
And then I fill that in, breadies, to make it look super cute.
Breadies, who's the cutest?
And then, what kind of mouth you gonna do?
Always.
Ooh, that's a good idea. I'm gonna switch it up. I did this on my donut. I'm gonna do it again on my cake because it's like he's licking his lips. So for me, I do like a smile, and then I loop it around to the tongue. Yum. That's his little tongue right there, licking his lip.
Oh yeah.
Wow, you got the biggest eyes you've ever drawn.
Not really.
I like it. All right, breadies. So now we need candles. So if you're drawing a cake for your friend, think about how old your friend is going to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then do that many candles. Or you can even do the number. But for us, we're just going to do 3 candles because we're just teaching a super simple, fun how to draw a birthday cake today.
I want to do 6.
Oh, that's going to take a lot of space. All right, breadies, candles are super easy. They're just long, skinny rectangles. You can do them real skinny. You can do them wide. Should we do skinny ones or wide ones?
I think we
These
could
are
add...
skinny or wide?
We
What do you
might be able to do swirly.
I'm not going to swirl it. That's a little hard. I'm going to do either skinny or wide.
I'm going to do swirly.
I got 3 of them. I'll do medium. So I'm going to go to the middle. I'm going to go up.
I want to do swirly.
And then I'm going to do like a little curved line for the top. If you know how, go for it.
I do.
Don't trick the breadies. Don't give them something real tough. They want to learn.
See how easy that is?
Whoa, look at that. That's pretty cool. All right, breadies. And then we're going to do our, what's on top of a candle, breadies?
A fire flame?
A little fire flame when you blow it out for happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha-cha.
You got to have the candle, right? It's got to be lit to blow out. So for that, just do a nice...
Okay. I'm going to take...
Almost like a leaf. Looks kind of like a leaf, huh?
Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
All right. And what I say I'm going to do? 3. So I just go over here. And And I do the same thing, Breadies. Up and down. Little flame.
1, 2, 3.
Cute.
4.
Up. Over. And down. And one more flame, Breadies, on top. It's looking so good. Imagine how excited you would be if your friend did a birthday cake, happy birthday card like this and gave it to you.
I think I would like it, but it doesn't really look perfect right now.
Oh, but when we color it will.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Let's do some decorations. What decorations should we put on our cake? Some polka dots?
Maybe.
Weston's gonna want dinosaurs on his, but
he already did that.
Yeah, he
Wait,
did, huh?
Does Mom need to make another cake for his real birthday?
Maybe. She usually does. Alright, Breadies. I think that is it. I will do some polka dots for a little extra style.
Okay,
You
I
don't
did
have
7
to.
because I'm turning 7 soon.
Oh, wow. She is. She's going to be 7 this year. It's looking so good.
What should I add?
Want to add some decorations?
I want to do like sunflowers with hearts inside.
These are like what? Funfetti cakes or confetti? I don't even know what they call them.
Funfetti.
Funfetti?
Yeah, funfetti.
Little colorful polka dots. It's so good.
Funfetti.
And that is it, Breadies. We had so much fun. We're going to color right now.
No, we're not.
I love coloring. It's my favorite part. We'll fast forward this part. See you in a little bit, Breadies. All right, Breadies. The moment you've all been waiting for. 3, 2, 1. Jen, they can't see your picture.
Oh. Oh, that's right.
Check it out, Breadies. It looks so good. You can eat it. Well, we didn't know how to draw a happy birthday cake, and now we do, and we hope you do too. Uh-oh. Did you just see that text message? Weston doesn't want a birthday cake. What does he want now?
Cupcake?
He wants cupcakes. Do you know how to draw a cupcake, Breadies?
No.
Do you?
No.
I don't either.
Well, I don't know, but I think it's easy.
We could figure it out. Oh, wait. We already did that video, and you can go watch it right now, Breadies.
Well, guess what?
What?
The famous Archer went to the otter show to draw some otters.
Ooh, otters. That's pretty interesting. We need to draw some otters.
But guess what? He was a crappy baby. Like a crab.
Crabby Beady. Alright, Breadies, so go now over to that video. Just search our name and watch the cupcake videos. We'll see you there. Pretty good. That's pretty good. You can make any happy birthday card you want with this bad boy. Alright, see you on that cupcake video. Later.